Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add FAQs in Wings. So the first step here that we're going to do is by opening our Wings website editor. So as you can see here, the sample website. So what we're going to do here is basically find the add section button. So click on this one. And then what we are going to do next is click on this blank section right here. There you have it. Now, once we enter our blank section, we go to this section here. So select this one. And then we're going to click this add apps right here. Okay, so once you click on this add apps, basically you will brought here on Wings App Market. Now what we're going to do here is go to the search box and search for Wings FAQ. Right? Then press enter on your keyboard. And you will find here 30 results. So basically we have a bunch of FAQs right here to use on your website editor. So in this case, I'm going to select this Wings FAQ. So right here, it's free to install. So click on this one. So here, as you can see, so we're going to click on add to site. So there you have it. As you can see right here. So as you notice here, it automatically matches the font here on my web page or website. So we have the title, and then we have also here the categories, and then we have the question and answer right from here. Right now we're going to click this one, and once this option shows up, so we're going to click on settings right here. Right now it will show you this one here, Wings FAQ. Okay, so we're going to look for the options here. So we have main, display layout, settings, design, and support. Right, for example, if we're going to display, so as you can see, we are now on title and search. So here you can basically toggle off the show title, or you can just turn it on. So depending on your preference or style you want to put in on your FAQ. And here, what's the title? You can basically edit this one. In this sample, I will just let this frequently asked questions right there. And then we have show search bar. We can also toggle off or toggle on this one here. And then what's the search bar text? So basically here, it will show you like a FAQ and category. So just like that. And then here, choose what you want to display. So if you want FAQs with categories or FAQs only. So if I'm going to select FAQs only, so this is what it looks like. So as you can see here, so basically it is better to just select this FAQs only here. There you have it. Now select the FAQs you want to show, if you want all FAQs, or just select general or setting up FAQs. So here I'm going to select all FAQs. Now here on social, as you can see right here, so here on this social, if you don't like any people to post this particular question, just uncheck the box. But if you want them to be able to share a direct link to the question and answer, just leave the box right from here. So for example, if you want to leave this copy link, so there you have it, that is the copy link icon right there. Now on the next option, we have the layout. So basically you can choose a layout here if you want expand, if you want like classic, or if you want like strip. As you can see, we have question 1, question 2, or question 3. So in this case, I'm going to select expand. And we have here app height. So you can here basically select if you want fit to text or choose height. So in this case, I'm going to select fit to text. Now here on app spacing, as you can see, if you want to be regular or compact. So I think it's good to use or select this regular. Now here on title alignment, if you want on left, center, or right. So I'm going to just set it to center. Now the next option here is settings. So as you can see in app settings, we have show one answer at a time. So if we're going to toggle off this one, so there you have it. Or if you want this, always show first answer. Okay, so if you're going to show that one, so basically I'm just going to turn that off. And then here you can enable scroll animation, or you can toggle this off also. We have also here app direction, if we want left to right or right to left. Next, we have the design option. So here, as you can see, if you're going to header and background, here you can change the font style. You can select any font style that you want for your FAQ, or just basically leave it here. And then you can also change the color. So for example, here on theme colors, so I'm going to select this. So there you have it. We have just changed the theme color. And then you can just select the category and then the paragraph 3 right here. You can also change the font style and font color, and also the background color if you want it on 100% or just like that. So I'm going to change the opacity. For example, I'm going to change it to 100%. Okay, so once done, right here, just need to click on X button. So there you have it. Now, the next option here that we're going to discuss is manage FAQs. So if you're going to click on the FAQ right here, click on manage FAQs. Now here, as you can see, we have different FAQ categories listed. We have the what is an FAQ section, why the FAQ matter, so under general and setting up FAQs. So if you want to add a category, just click on this add new button right there at the top right, and then select this category right here. And as you can see at the bottom, it shows you the new category section. So I want to name this as sample FAQ, right? And click on the apply button. And I want to drag this and just bring it up at the top right there. Now the next step here, I'm going to just click on the three dots right here, and I'm going to add a question. For example, the question is how expensive this project, for example. Okay, now the answer will be for example, this is not expensive, right? Now at the bottom, we have other options here. You can basically add an Instagram post. You can add an X Twitter post. You can add TikTok video, add an image, add a gallery, add a YouTube video. You can add video here, audio file, divider, or you want to add emoji, or you want to add a file, GIFs, or button, or a table. So basically, if you want something like you add a video, so you just click add a video here, and you can put here on the answer on your FAQ. So basically, if I'm going to add emoji, for example, I'm going to just select this one here. Oh, there you have it. So you can just add some of the options right from here. All right, so once done, you just need to click on save button. So there you have it. We have just added a question. Now, if we're going to edit this one, for example, if I'm going to click on this edit, so here, as you can see, you can just edit this one or basically generate AI text. So if you're going to use the AI text creator, as you can see, you can just enter here business type and then your business name and then any specific question you would like to add. For example, you want to add this question here and click on create text. So let's see the result. So there you have it. So this is the option 1. We have option 2 right here, option 3. So you can basically copy this clipboard or you can basically click on use text. So just simply click that use text. As you can see right here, it is automatically pasted here on the box. Okay, so once done, click on save button. So if we're going to click on the three dots, we have some options to duplicate this one, or you want to delete the FAQ right here, or the question. So yeah, there you have it. And then once done here, just click on the X button. Now once you reload, let's see the FAQ. So there you have it. We have just edit our FAQ right here. So basically you just have to go to this manage FAQs or quick edit or the settings if you want to add or edit or customize your FAQ right here on your website editor. So yeah, that's it. That's how you basically add FAQ in Wings. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.